How to fix Messenger video call or audio call problems. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to fix Messenger video call and audio call problems. So the first thing you guys need to do is just check your connection whether to the Wi-Fi or the cellular data is running properly or not. If not, then just turn off your Wi-Fi and just switch to the cellular data. Sometimes cellular data give us a more appropriate speed than a Wi-Fi. Second thing you guys can do is you can do a speed test. Just click on run speed test. Here you can see that your data should have 10 to 15 megabytes. If it is less than 10 to 15 megabytes per second, then you need to just change your Wi-Fi or just your cellular data. The another thing which you can do is just go to your settings, go for app and search for Messenger. Just click on permission and allow all the necessary permissions which are needed. It will definitely fix your Messenger call problem. But still, if you're not getting satisfied, then just check your Messenger update, that your Messenger should be updated to the date. For that, just go to the App Store, search for Messenger and just see if it is whether open or an update option. If it is having an update option, just click on that and just update your Messenger. This will definitely fix your problem. So that's it for this video. If you have any question about this whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.